I would like to show you all what North Carolina Speaker Tim Moore is doing with his profile. As you can see on this screen, I'm signed into my personal account, and what I've noticed, and several others have noticed over the last few days, is that comments are disappearing. So what you see here is where someone has asked why the comments are being deleted, and he says that nothing is being deleted. I think what Tim Moore is doing is censoring his page with a technicality. So I don't think that he is actually deleting the comments. I believe that he is hiding the comments. So you can see here where I've asked if he is hiding the comments. You can see his reply to that, which really doesn't answer the question. And then here you can see where I've made 2 more comments. I can see those comments, and I believe people who are my Facebook friends can see those comments. However, here is his page, and this is, I'm not signed in. As you can see, it's telling me to log into Facebook. Here is his page. Here's that same thread, and what you see is, or what you don't see, are those last 2 comments that I made. And here I will refresh just in case. And I will go back to that same thread here. It was in this thread here. This is the comment thread. You can see this is where I had asked. Now watch what happens when I click on view more replies. Nothing shows up. They are still there. However, now again I will refresh this page as well. So when I go to this thread, they are still there. However, Speaker Tim Moore or some of his staff are hiding and censoring his page. This is at the very least unethical, especially considering some of the statements that he has made within his page that just simply are not true, that anybody can go and look. One of the key statement here that I have in several threads tried to get him to address, that he simply refuses to address, is that he has made statements saying that everyone has gotten a 2% pay increase, which is simply not true. It's not true. But I wanted you all to see what is happening on our speaker's page, in that he is censoring his page. So now I would like to address the question that I have been trying to get Speaker Tim Moore to address for the last several days, and that is his comments about in several different places. As you can see, 2 places right here, but on several different places on his page, he has made the statement that everyone has gotten a 2% raise. So, and here someone's asking why experienced veteran teachers are not getting a raise. He says that they got at least a 2% raise. Here that someone is again pointing out that there's no pay raise for veteran teachers, and again he is saying that everyone got or will be getting a 2% pay raise. So here is and I'm getting this, as you can see, from North Carolina Public Schools of North Carolina. So this is the budget summary. There is the monthly salary. And I'm going to focus on 25 plus years, just because the comments on his Facebook page were about veteran teachers. However, other teachers within here did not and will not see a 2% raise. As a matter of fact, some teachers will not see a raise at all. So this is the current, or the budget, the pay schedule that will be in place for the 2018-19 school year. So I want to look at this school year, and I'm getting this from ncpublicschools.org. So when I go to this school year, first I want you to notice that 0 years of experience, 35,000. 1 year of experience, 36,000. Let's go back and look here. 0 years of experience would be 35,000. This is monthly for 10 months. 1 year of experience, 36,000. That's not a raise at all. So that's completely not untrue. I do want to come and look at where we do have a little bit of a raise with our veteran teachers. It's not much at all. As you can see in this current school year that is ending, teachers with 25 plus years of experience receive a base pay of $51,300. In next year, teachers with 25 plus years of experience will receive $52,000 if you account for 10 months. $52,000. So that's a $700 difference. So what I want to look at is if that's a 2% raise. So we're moving, teachers with 25 plus years of experience are moving up to $52,000 from $51,300. So this is just a percentage difference calculator. So we're going to calculate this. And that is a 1.36, if you round, difference. That is not, as he says, that is not at least a 2% raise for everyone. Our veteran teachers who have shown dedication to the public schools of North Carolina are not receiving at least a 2% raise. I know that the magical number out there that is being pushed is that we have an average 6.5% pay raise, but I stress that word average. That does not at all mean that every teacher in North Carolina is receiving a 6.5% pay raise. As you just saw, our veteran teachers are receiving barely a pay raise at all. Our new teachers, as you've just seen, are not seeing a pay raise at all. Now account for the fact that longevity has been taken away from our veteran teachers and put into their base pay and counted as a raise. Should that be counted as a raise? I'll let you decide that. But these are the lies. It's just lies that Speaker Tim Moore is pushing, and that at least a 2% raise for everybody.